If you keep typing the same words, sentences, or messages every single day, you're wasting a lot of time and most people don't even realize it. Think about it. Emails, forms, customer replies, work notes. We type the same things again and again, manually, every day. But Windows already has built-in tools that can do this for you. Let's start with clipboard history. Normally, when you copy something, it gets replaced by the next thing you copy. So you can only paste the last item. But with Windows Clipboard History, you can store multiple copied texts. Just press Windows +V. And you'll see a list of everything you copied before. Now you can paste old messages, links, or paragraphs instantly, without retyping anything. Next is pinning important text. If you often reuse the same sentence, like an email reply or a work template, you can pin it inside the clipboard history. That text will stay there even after you restart your computer. Another simple trick is using text templates. Instead of typing long messages every time, prepare reusable text, copy it once, and keep it in your clipboard history. Then whenever you need it, just press Windows +V and paste it in seconds. This works great for emails, customer support, reports, and repeated forms. No extra apps. No extensions. No complicated setup. Just features already built into Windows that most people completely ignore. Once you start using these shortcuts, you save minutes every day, which becomes hours every month. And the best part? You don't need to learn anything complicated to use them. If you want more simple tricks that save real time, check out the other videos on this channel. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.